I read a news in Hindustan Times. The heading was that the law helps the injured to die. Road accident cases in our country, lakhs of the people, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs people die every year in this country. And it is I who moved this petition for saving the life of those people, that first of all they should be given medical treatment, and after that the police formality should be done. If I get an accident for a A1 hospital, good hospital where all facilities are there, then I should not be refused to go to that hospital merely on the ground of a juvenile jurisdiction. I was happy, court welcomed me, that this court is obliged to you, you have brought this good cause to the society before us. Again the government of India came, they did not object. There was no challenge from the mere opposition from the side of the government. Everybody, according to the Supreme Court judgment, is bound to give treatment to a injured who comes to them, either a private hospital or a government hospital. A private hospital cannot refuse to give the first aid and cannot insist on the bill that no, we will not permit you to take the patient to the hospital unless you pay bill. But unfortunately this judgment was not publicized as the court desired. The media has also not highlighted it as they should have highlighted it, because the people get to know what is the right, what is their fundamental right. They are not getting. परहित सरस धर्म नहीं भाई, पर पीड़ा सम नहीं अधमाई. If you want to do to the others, then this is the great religion. No religion is greater than helping the others. Compassion is the only thing which a right-sided and right-minded man is affected by, that to do good to the others. I raised 87 questions on PILs in the Supreme Court in my own name, at my own cost, and at least in 15 judgments are there. Constitution, knowledge of it, knowledge of the law has acted just like a lamp in a dark room. It has paved my wisdom and intellect to do something which I know. If you have knowledge, then you can raise up this thing. If you don't have knowledge, then you cannot raise. So I think this is the duty of the government to make the public aware of these rights in the beginning. So we should have knowledge in the beginning. Only then we can do something to society.